Some members of the All Progressives Congress APC in Kogi State have called for urgent intervention to address internal strife within the party in the state. They say the current situation portends a great threat to party unity and political stability. Addressing journalists in Abuja, Wisdom Ohalete, the president of APC Media Advocacy Network, alleged that APC members from Kogi State living outside the state in collaboration with a federal lawmaker from the state are trying to create division between the state government and the presidency. He accused the lawmaker and a federal agency head of funding content creators to spread falsehood and inflammatory videos misrepresenting Governor Usman ododo and the former Governor Yaya bello.
Characters, apart from sponsoring hate speech, are also creating division within the state by instigating ethnic suspicion through sudden and suspicious agitation that the Kogi West should produce governor in 2027, instead of the natural and widely accepted 2031, when Governor Ododo from Kogi Central would have completed his constitutionally guaranteed second term. Why are they attempting to destabilize the state's power rotation arrangements? Why are they trying to destroy our great party APC in Kogi? Why the needless provocation? It is obvious that their motivation is not justice for Kogi West, but self-preservation. They are exploiting the regional agitation as a bargaining chip to appear as though they are fighting for people's rights, whereas they are simply struggling for political survival.
He called on all security agencies to investigate and arrest the individuals involved, emphasizing the need to protect the state's peace and unity.